Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your Samsung A20s louder. So at the start we have to open the Play Store. And then in the Play Store look for the volume booster app. This is this one, and install it. Tap OK. Okay, and now the tool is active. So if you want to increase the volume booster, just slide it to the right. You can see the 16 is max. You can also adjust it to your needs by just choosing one of the position on the slider. And now if you go back, the tool is still active. The volume booster is, you can see, is on. If you want to turn it off, just open the background apps, choose that one, and tap on the stop service. Click OK, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.